That excavator would have took that bitch at the top and just
Plucked it.
It's big. It's like a big square bottom, but it has a big crane on it. Crane arm that has like.
This thing must have roots for days.
No. So he would take the arm. He'd reach the arm all the way up to probably midway that tree. It just would lay it down. Cool. Yeah, and then pull it, push it down. That way.
I mean, she teach you.
That thing must have roots. Like, the roots on that thing must be.
She gonna practice.
Yeah.
The weight at the top is gonna knock it
California.
Why was I going down the, I had to go to Stafford Hall this morning. I was going on the road and then I got to the main car and I went around it. 4 cars, one in the third. Yeah, Camaro, so you know when you get to that freeway. That fucking open fucked up this whole fucking thing. I said, man, the truck's still on my door, so that bitch out of gas. So you know, don't close up.
I thought they could just like iron it.
Is that why? I'll be like,
I feel like when I just started replacing all of it.
with the bright lights?
No, with the fucking software. The bright light ones get high.
Did it?
Yeah, well, it's a little behind low lights. Alright, now it helps. I think I could drive it better.
When Bobo trying to get up to it, he was like,
Oh, that one's gonna fall now.
man, this gonna be really enough room for that basketball court now. We're gonna put a blacktop goal in here, full court. No. Yeah, he said you put it in a full court blacktop so we can play.
Wow,
That motherfucker's burned up. Nah, you right. That would be the best spot though. Probably playing no basketball now. Like I told fucking us.
volleyball.